All right, what's up guys? Today we are doing a cocktail suggested to me. It's called Remember the Maine. Thank you for suggesting this one, Christine. It is a Manhattan riff. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love Manhattans and all the variations, so why wouldn't I do more, right? It's called the Remember the Maine, so let's just get into it. All right, first thing we are gonna need is 60 mils of rye. Then we'll go 20 mils of a Sweet Vermouth, 10 mil of a Cherry Heering or Cherry Liqueur, and then we'll give that a good stir. We'll whip out our Nick and Nora. We're going to give it an Absinthe Rinse. We're gonna garnish it off with a Brandied Cherry. And that is all it is, guys. It's a Manhattan riff, very, very simple, right? Rye, Sweet Vermouth, a little bit of cherry in there, a little bit of absinthe. This is kind of like a crossover between a Manhattan and a Sazerac, just because it has that absinthe in there. It's a little banger. Like, I love absinthe and I love Manhattan, so this is kind of like right down my alley. Little disclaimer, I have to say, the classic specs for this cocktail does include Cherry Heering, not just a Cherry Liqueur. I went to 4 liquor stores trying to find that frickin' thing, and I couldn't find it anywhere, which is really weird. It's a very popular and very common spirit to have. I just couldn't find it. So I just went with the Cherry Liqueur that I have. To be honest, with the amount that's in this cocktail, it's not gonna be that big of a difference. Okay, Cherry Heering is a Cherry Liqueur. It's just got a few spices added into it. We wouldn't be pulling out that much, so I'm fine with just using a Cherry Liqueur for this. As far as the actual drink goes though, guys, it's a Manhattan with some cherry in there. The absinthe is obviously super nice. I love absinthe. This actually came from Charles H. Baker's The Gentleman's Companion that he released in 1939, I believe. The name of the cocktail refers to a US battleship called Remember the Maine that was sunk in the Havana Harbor, which led to the Spanish-American War. Good drink, go for it, give this one a go. Thank you again, Christine, for suggesting this. I enjoy it. I'm definitely gonna be making this up a few more times, okay? But that is all I have for you today, guys. If you like these videos, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna have more coming out every single week. If you have a cocktail you think I should do on this channel, let me know in the comments and I'll try and work it into my list, okay? But until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.